So far, so good. I love it.
Oh. Hey Princess Squad, it's T.
And Sprinkles.
And today we're gonna be making a giant DIY fidget pop-it candy as seen on TikTok.
Last time we just did these regular one, right?
If you haven't seen that video yet, go back and watch it because it was quite interesting and it tasted really, really good.
Yeah, I agree.
But yeah, today we're gonna challenge ourselves to do this big, giant one. And in front of us, we have
Our chocolate melts. We have each color in what? Pink, teal, yellow, red, green, and white.
Yep, we try to do fun colors. And then over here we have all our toppings. We have Skittles, Reese's Pieces, M&Ms, and marshmallows.
All right, guys, first things first, always wash your poppets before you put any food on it, because that's just gross.
Because
and
you've been
nasty.
playing with your hands. And make sure you wash your hands because you don't know where they've been. And then second of all, we're loaded up with the candy. So we're going to flip it this way. We're making sure all of it is not popped. And we're just going to put random candies in there. So how do you want to do this? Should we do like M&Ms, marshmallows, or should we like mix and match?
I think mix and match so you get a little bit of everything.
Oh, yeah,
When
okay.
you go to each bite. So make sure you guys get candy that will actually fit into the poppets.
Exactly.
And not anything bigger, because then it just won't work. So.
Agreed. So I'm just gonna randomly load it everywhere.
Hey, Jinx,
What if I
said
did this?
randomly.
You think he'll? Hey, that kind of works. And we can straighten it.
Oh, you're right. How
Like
about we
this
just do it like this first
and
and
then
then
flatten it.
straighten it?
Yep,
Yeah. Because
exactly.
then it'll take us like 10 years or something.
Yep.
Okay, I think that's
Now,
enough.
Let me get the Skittles. Here, you
I'm
do that
so
Skittles.
excited.
I know, me too. And
Oh
I'm
my
just gonna
gosh.
throw the marshmallows on. So we're just gonna I think for the marshmallows, I have to make sure they're like sitting up straight. What do you think?
I agree.
Because it's kind of big, but it tastes good.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, this looking so cute.
Marshmallows. I'm so excited. Okay, we are all done finally. It starts kind of getting crazy and I start getting cross-eyed.
I know.
But we have a whole bunch of candy here. And now, you guys, it's time to melt the chocolate. So I got these candy melts at Walmart. These are fairly easy to use. And we're going to get these bowls. And I think we're just going to how do you want to do it? Should we do it like strips, like pink, white, like this? Or should we like tie dye? Yeah, I think so too.
Because it's such.
Yeah, I think it's going to be good. Okay, so we're just going to take out the candy melt and pour it in. And I think we're going to do like 2 color at a time. Oh my goodness. This
What?
smells so good.
It smells strawberry.
Smells like strawberry, guys. All right, we went ahead and melted the pink and the yellow. And I say we just put it on.
I agree.
All right, so you
And
go first with the
sporadic
yellow.
area, since it's going to be tie-dye anyways. And you need to be really careful with the marshmallows because they like to pop up.
I agree.
I'm just gonna put it like randomly.
Spread that.
Yes.
And we have the pink here.
It's so pretty.
It's okay, just spread it everywhere. We're just going to add on a little bit at a time and mix in all the colors. Here we're adding in our blue. This is one of my favorite colors. You guys know it's like a nice teal color, and we're just putting it at random places on the giant poppet. Next up we have red. This color is so bright. I love how vibrant it is. I wish they made candy melts in all pastel, but there wasn't enough colors, so I went ahead and also grabbed green, and it turned out pretty good, I think. What do you guys think so far? We're just mixing it all in there. All right, we're almost done here. We needed a little bit more, so we got our favorite, the pink, because it smells good.
Strawberries.
So, warning here, we figured out the marshmallow kind of moves. So if y'all do marshmallows, be careful when you're spreading it, because it will go places. Maybe a little bit more right here. I'm directing over here, y'all. And a little bit more right here. All right, I'm just gonna spread it with this. I think that this helps make it flat. I found it will make it. It looks pretty cool. Take a look. Yeah.
All the big bumps are actually the marshmallows,
marshmallows
guys.
over here, guys. So I think it's pretty good. We're just gonna put it in the freezer for a little bit, and then we'll review the results in just a minute. All right, so this has been in the freezer for a hot minute now. We took it out, and it's hard to take this out. This part's gonna break my heart because I see all the TikToks when people take it out. It's not one giant piece.
No, it's not.
It's like lots of pieces.
We're going to attempt.
We're gonna try. She's going to try our best. That's why I have her here, you guys. She does stuff I'm scared to do. My excuse
She
is
makes
the
me do all
nails.
the hard work, but
Hey.
I'm just loosening up the ends just like this, so it kind of releases it all. I don't have a tactic for this. So.
No.
And then we didn't have a big enough plate, so we had to use a poster board.
Poster board. Yep.
All right, so
Oh, I'm scared.
I'm going to flip this. Can you hold in the middle?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Ah! Okay, don't
Okay.
breathe. Don't breathe. I'm
Okay.
actually gonna start in this corner. Okay, you ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right. Let's just try. I don't know.
It's okay if it breaks. We can always repair it.
I'm gonna try to like pop it as I'm like lifting it. How is it? How's it like?
Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
Yes! So
So
far.
far, so good.
Okay,
Oh my
okay.
gosh.
I literally have to stand up to this because I'm short. So far, so good. I love it.
Oh my god.
Okay. This and
Oh no.
it's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
So far, there's only one piece that broke.
Just have to peel it really, really gently.
Oh my gosh.
And
We're so close.
it's okay. It still looks good.
Oh
It still
my
looks
gosh. But the thing about chocolate, you guys, is you can always repair it. So we can heat up some chocolate, put it here, and like stick it here to make it one giant piece. Alrighty, so your chocolate is blue. So this is just the back side of the poppet. So we went ahead and melted some chocolate, and we're just going to repair this as best as we could. It's kind of good that this thing is pretty much cold. So once you put the glue on, aka the chocolate on, it like freezes it pretty quickly. We're just gonna spread it. Come on, get in there. Okay, you guys, all done. It's one giant piece.
We kind of cheated there.
Hey, one giant piece still. Glue is going to be your chocolate. That's what I learned. And oh my goodness, like I don't even know where to start. It looks so good because there's all kinds of candies on here, like our marshmallows, M&Ms, Skittles, Reese's Pieces. It looks so good, you guys. Oh, what corner to eat first? Let's see.
Alright.
Alright, let's see what we have here.
I have marshmallow.
Reese's Pieces. That look good. I think I got some Skittles and M&M.
Look at this, y'all.
This is like goals right here. Really? She did her like her dance, but yeah, I'm super happy how this turned out. If you guys like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe because we worked super hard on it. Follow us on our TikTok and Instagram at
PrincessSquad.official.
for more fun. And also remember to dream big
Have fun.
and be kind. Bye!